Good morning, student of class 5. I am a computer teacher Sonjit sir. Hope you all are fine. Today, I am going to continue the revision of chapter number 1, Evolution of Computer. And in this video, I am going to discuss the exercise question answer from this chapter. Okay, so let's start. This is the syllabus, and all of you have to read each and every chapter very carefully for your first term examination. Okay, please read the chapter very carefully. And this is the content of this chapter. In my previous class I already have discussed history of computers, and today I am going to discuss about characteristic of computer and limitation of computer. Okay, so these two topics I am going to revise in this class. So first is characteristic of a computer or features of a computer. Okay, a computer has certain characteristic that make it different from other machines, and they are as follows. Okay, so first is speed. We all know that a computer is a smart machine. Okay, a computer is a smart machine, and the computer can perform large number of calculation in a fraction of second. Okay, in a fraction of second. So first features is speed. Okay, next is accuracy. We all know that computer is always 100% correct. Okay, a computer always gives the correct result. Okay, correct result if the data given input to the computer is correct. Okay, so the computer gives the correct result if the data given as input the computer is correct. Okay, next is diligence. Okay, a computer does not get tired. Okay, does not get tired. It can kept working for long and long hours. It can do same work again and again. Okay, same work again and again with the same accuracy and speed. Next is high storage. The modern day computer is capable of storing large amount of data and program for future use. This data can be retrieved as and when required. Okay, so computer has a hard disk, and we all know that computer can store huge amount of data. Okay, so next features is versatility. The modern day computer can perform a variety of different tasks. Okay, variety of different tasks. It is used at various places such as home, hospital, banks, office, school, for performing various activities. Okay, next is connectivity. Computer over the world have been connected from a global network that is called internet. Okay, we all know that we can easily use the internet by using a computer. Okay, so internet connect the computer from a global network. Okay, this facilitate exchange of information and proper communication. These are the main features of a computer. Okay, now the limitation of a computer. First is zero IQ. The computer does not have any IQ. Okay, does not have any IQ of its own. It works only within the limits of what it has been instructed to do. So we all know that computer needs instruction. Okay, needs instruction, and this instruction is given by us. Okay, so a computer needs instruction for work. Okay, next is lack of decision making power. Lack of decision making power. A computer is not capable for taking any decision on its own. When an unexpected situation arises, it gives incorrect result or abandons the job altogether. Okay, so the computer does not take any type of decision. Okay, next is no heuristics. Okay, heuristics is the ability to learn from past mistakes. Computer do not possess any such ability. Okay, so these are the three big disadvantages of using a computer. Okay, next is wearable technology. Wearable gadgets are the latest buzzword in the field of technology. Most of the wearable gadgets available nowadays wrist on, but there are others that can be hang around the neck or can be worn as a piece of jewelry. So first is fitness track. First is fitness track. Okay, so fitness tracks are bands or sorry, fitness track are bands or watch that keep a count of the number of steps you take each day and calories you burn. Okay, some may also monitor parameters such as pulse rate, heart rate, okay, etc. So fitness track, we uses the fitness track to keep the count of number of steps that you take each day and calories you burn, and monitor the parameters of such as pulse rate, heartbeat, etc. Okay, next is smartwatches. Smartwatches can be connected to a smartphone and keeps us updated and notification and messages. We can make calls, send message, read news, listen to music. Okay, they also included function of fitness tracker. For example, Apple Watch. Next is artificial intelligence and machine learning. Okay, artificial intelligence is very important. This is fifth generation computer. Okay, so a lot of development are happening in the field of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Machine learning is based on the concept of that machine can be built to process data and learn their own. Okay, learn their own without constant human supervision. This has led to the improved chatbots, voice-based assistant. Siri, Alexa are example of voice-based assistant. Okay, or also Google Assistant. Okay, biometric recognition and robots. So these are the few example of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Next is some bookmarks from this chapter. First is actuator, a components of machine which is responsible for running and controlling the system. Next is integrated circuit, a small electronic device with lots of components made from a special material called semiconductor. Okay, called semiconductor. Semiconductor is the special material which is made by the integrated circuit or IC. Okay, next is artificial intelligence, a branch of computer science that deals and enabling computers think and take decision. Okay, computers thinks and take decision like human beings. We all know that the up to fourth generation computer, the computer does not take any type of decision, but in the fifth generation computer, which is use artificial intelligence, the computer can think and take decision like human beings. Okay, next is very large scale integration, a technique in which thousands of integrated circuits are combined together for onto a single silicon chip is developed, a microprocessor. Next is eukaryotes, ability to learn from the past mistakes. Okay, so these are the few bookmarks from this chapter, and all of you have to learn these terms. Now move on to the question answer part. So first question answer is choose the correct answer. So number one is name the components that was used in the second generation computer. So we all know the second generation, in the second generation computer, uh, transistor is used. Okay, transistor, the right option is transistor. Next is number two, which of the following is a characteristic of fifth generation computer? They have a power to demonstrate human like intelligence and reasoning. This statement is true. They are able to understand natural language, spoken words. This statement is also true. They are able to respond their surrounding using different types of sensor. So all these statements are true. That's why option number 4 is the correct answer. All of this. Okay. Next is number 3. In which of the following generation integrated circuit was used the first time? In the third generation computer. Okay, third generation computer, the integrated circuit were used for the first time. Next is number 4. In which of the early calculating device the placement of the sticks was done in such a way that that the products and question of large number of, can be obtained easily? So option number C is the correct answer. Okay, Napier bones. Napier bones is the correct answer. Next is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks using the words given below. Okay, you need to use this word. Okay, so first is dash is an example of first generation computer. Univac is the example of the first generation computer. Next is number 2. Dash is the branch of a computer science that enables computer think and take decision like human beings. So number 2 is artificial intelligence. Okay, artificial intelligence is number 2. Next is an example of voice based virtual assistant is Siri. Okay, Siri is number 3. Siri or Google Assistant, etc. Okay, next is microprocessor were are developed by combining together thousands of integrated circuit onto a single chip is called VSLI, very large scale integrated integration. Okay, very large scale integration. Next is number 5. Dash was the earliest calculating device. We all know that abacus was the earliest calculating device. Next is complete the following table. Okay, I already have done. Okay, so fifth generation computer is based on artificial intelligence. Okay, fifth generation computer are based on artificial intelligence. Okay, next is fourth generation computer based in microprocessor. Okay, and can process millions of instruction in a fraction of second. Can process millions of instruction in a fraction of second. Next is second generation computer based on transistor. Okay, second generation computer based on transistor and smaller and faster as compared to the first generation computer. Okay, next is true false. Tick the correct statement and cross the wrong one. So first is number 1. Integrated circuit are made up of microprocessor. So this statement is incorrect. Okay, next is the operating system was introduced in third generation computer. This statement is true. Okay, next is wearable gadgets can only be on and hand. No, this statement is incorrect. Next is number 4. Pascal developed the analytical engine. This statement is also false. Okay, next is fourth generation computer use microprocessor. So this statement is correct. Okay, so these are the tick mark from this chapter. So all of you have to write this question answer on your computer copy. Okay, and also learn the question answer and read the chapter very carefully. Okay, for your first term examination, please read each and every chapter very carefully. So today I am ending my discussion here. In my next video I will start a new chapter for revision. Okay, so till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.